Right, I'm just checking my runner bean plants to see how they've been getting on, and as you can see, I think they're doing quite well. I'm very pleased with them. These are a variety called Guinness Record, and they do produce extremely long pods, as you can see. We've been picking them a bit earlier, but I've let some grow quite long just to see how long they get. Plenty of flowers, lots and lots of beans. Pick some of the smaller ones for dinner tonight. Keep picking them because the more you pick them, the more they will fruit, the more beans you'll get. What you're finding here is that they've got to the very top of the canes, and what you need to do is cut the tops off. You do that so that down below all the energy goes into producing more beans rather than, you know, taller and taller plants and more leaves. So very pleased with that. And behind it is the rustic frame that I made. Previous years I've tended to use canes, but these have been so much better. Oh, look at that lovely little bee, if you can see him. They're lovely. Okay. But yes, the rustic frame has stood up really well. We've had some very strong winds, and it's stood up very, very well indeed, and still quite sturdy. A very good support for the plants. So I'm going to enjoy picking some more of these now and have them for dinner tonight.
If you've enjoyed this video, press the like button and also give us a comment, let us know what you're doing in the garden at the moment. And if you like our videos generally, it'd be really great if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel.